coordinators, teachers, and fellow students. Today, I heartily welcome you all on behalf of Class 9A to our assembly on the topic of digital citizenship. Through this assembly, we aim to enlighten you all with insights on our key responsibilities as the global citizens on a digital environment and indicate how these lead to adverse effects on our society and individuals.
No other way to start the day is befitting as compared to the prayers offered to the Almighty. So I would request you all to kindly stand up, join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer.
Sports news in Manchester City rolled out for season after sustaining ACL injury. In land of Greece, India women make history. India men and women win maiden chess Olympiad gold medal. Thank you.
Today's national news is Reform Global Institutions for Peace and Development. Modi tells UN. PM Modi meets Armenian counterpart in US, discuss bilateral ties.
Today's international news is Israel airstrikes in Lebanon, 274 killed, over 1,000 injured as Israel airstrikes hit about 800 locations in Lebanon. Deposed Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina booked over death of garment worker fees, 194 cases since resignation.
Today's weather report is, today sun rose at 6:12 am, sunset will be at 6:16 pm, highest temperature will be 36 degrees Celsius, lowest temperature will be 24 degrees Celsius. Today is 0% chance of precipitation, humidity will be 87%.
One of the most important things in a digital world is to be able to storytell and help people envision the art of the possible using different technologies.